Building a simple aquaponics system is easier than you might think. Start with a sturdy container for your fish. Something like a 20-gallon tank works well. Fill it with water and add your fish. Tilapia or goldfish are great choices. Next, create a grow bed above the tank. You can use a plastic storage bin filled with gravel or clay pebbles. This is where your plants will thrive. Now, connect the grow bed to the tank using a pump. The pump will circulate water from the tank to the grow bed, providing nutrients from the fish waste. After the water flows through the plants, it returns clean to the fish tank. Choose plants that grow well in aquaponics, like lettuce or herbs. They'll filter the water while growing lush and healthy. Remember to monitor the pH and temperature regularly to keep both fish and plants happy. With a little patience, you'll have a thriving ecosystem right at home.